Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 E350 4MATIC sedan. This one's a silver metallic. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the AMG line exterior package with 19-inch AMG twin 5-spoke wheels, diamond style grille up front, black MB Tex interior with a natural grain ash wood trim, ambient lighting, panorama sunroof, E350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, premium one package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, touchscreen media display. New to Mercedes-Benz is our MBUX system. You can give it simple voice commands by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes." Turn off heated seats.
I'm switching off the seat heating.
Simple as that. You are able to use it as a smart device. Dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, charging ports, cup holders, touchpad for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This E-Class has 6,500 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.